क्या आपको पता है आज कौन सा दिन है? आज वो दिन है जब रैंचो और चतुर टंकी पर मिलने वाले थे, बट दे कुडंट मेक इट बिकॉज रैंचो लद्दाख में है और वहाँ पे उसका बिल्डिंग सील हो गया है बिकॉज ऑफ द कोविड-19 सिचुएशन. Jokes apart for now, today is the 5th of September and for this video it's not gonna be me, I won't reveal it to you right now. We have some really great artists performing for you in this video, and for this video we will be popularizing 2 hashtags. Number 1, our teachers are heroes, and number 2, teachers from India. More of talking for now. Let's see what Mahi has in store for us.
Happy Teachers Day to all my wonderful teachers. Teachers play a very important role in each one of our lives. Our teachers are very kind and very helpful to us always. Today I want to thank you all my teachers who are taking so much of pain to teach us even in this COVID time. So, with all my heart, I want to say thank you, thank you, thank you. Now I am going to present a small dance dedicated to all my respected teachers.
गुरुर् ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः.
How blissful it is to seek the Almighty's blessings before we start any work of us. Thank you, Mahi. That was really nice. That was really blissful. And yes, you guessed right. For this video, it's gonna be none other than the students. Yes. Okay. Once again, thank you, Mahi. And up next, we have a young dancer, Janardhan. Let's see what he has for us.
नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, थामी हमारी उंगली उस टीचर को हमारा प्यार. तो बोलो गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. मुश्किल राहों पर गिरते उठते और संभलते हैं. हम थक भी जाए पर देखो वो कभी न थकते हैं. वो टीचर ही तो है जो हमारे साथ चलते हैं, हमारे साथ चलते हैं. तो बोलो गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः.
Thank you, teachers, to teach me and to guide me. My lovely teachers, if I do any mistake, then don't take it to heart because
यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक. यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक. यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक. यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक बेटा.
गलती से मिस्टेक कर लो, गलती से मिस्टेक कर लो. This is your age to explore, make mistakes and learn from your mistakes. Anyway, thank you Janardhan, that was really nice of you. Up next we have Heth. Let's see what Heth has to say for our lovely teachers.
Teachers Day. A warm and heartfelt welcome to the respected principals, my fellow students, and the star of the day, my dear teachers. Teachers Day is the most social occasion in every student's life. Teachers Day is celebrated on 5th of September on the birthday of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Teachers can change lives with just the right mix of chalk and challenges. Teacher, you have always shown the right way. Whatever little we have achieved in our life is because of you only. Without you, we would have been lost. Thank you, teacher, for guiding us, inspiring us, and making us what we are today. They guide us, they support us, they inspire us, they teach us. Today is the day to tell them and say, Happy Teachers Day. Thank you.
Thank you, Heth. That was really nice of you. Lovely speech. And let me also tell you that we teachers are complete because of you students. Anyway, thank you once again. Up next we have Molly, Twinsy and Gia performing a skit for you.
Welcome to all of you watching this video. Today on 5th September as Teachers Day, memorizing the birth of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, we have a short act about how we have to respect our teachers. So here we start our act. Good morning, teacher. Good morning, all of you. Hey girl, why you have sitting? I have told you to sit down. Stand up. Sorry. Sit down, sit down. Okay, all of you open your chapter number 3, the government. Okay, today we will learn about Gram Sabha. The Gram Sabha meeting begins with the Panchayat President, who is also called the Sarpanch. Okay? Hey girl, why your feet are coming down? Put the pin and palm. Okay?
Yes, thanks.
You don't know how to talk also. So, you will write. And the members of the Panchayat, the punch presenting a plan on repairing the road that connects the village to the main highway. After this, the discussion moves to the subject of water and the water storage. So, after the Sarpanch, the subject moved to the water and water storage. Okay, understand all of you?
Yes, teacher.
The water and water storage. So, the period is over.
Gia, why you are sad? All time, सब teacher मुझे डांटती रहती है. मैं क्या करूं? Please sit and talk with me in English. Yes, say me now the problem. All the teachers are always pointed me that your face are like this way. Why you are not standing? What I will do? Gia, you have to not misbehave with the teachers. You have to respect our teachers and listen what the teacher is saying. Now go to the teacher and say sorry to her. Okay, I will tell. Teacher, I am sorry for misbehaving in my class.
It's okay, dear. Next time, please understand and don't misbehave with all the teachers, okay? And respect your teachers and obey your elders, okay?
Okay, teacher.
And next time, please put your face up.
Yes.
So, the moral of the story is that we have to obey our teachers and be attentive while teacher is teaching in our class.
So, teachers are our second parents. So, we have to obey our teachers.
And this is for all our lovely teachers. Once again, Happy Teachers Day!
Really important message for all you students. Thanks to you, Molly, Gia and Twinsy once again. Up next, we have Vedika Jain, who is going to perform a dance for us.
ਇੱਕੋ ਹੀਲ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਮੈਂ ਕੱਟਿਆ ਇੱਕ ਸਾਲ ਵੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕਦੇ ਤਾਂ ਲੈ ਜਿਆ ਕਰ ਤੂੰ ਸ਼ਾਪਿੰਗ ਮਾਲ ਵੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਦੀਆਂ ਸਭ ਪਾਰਲਰ ਸਜਦੀਆਂ ਰਹਿੰਦੀਆਂ ਹਾਈ ਹਾਈਲਾਈਟ ਕਰਾ ਦੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਕਾਲੇ ਵਾਲ ਵੇ ਕਿੱਥੋਂ ਸਜਾ ਤੇਰੇ ਲਈ ਸਾਰੇ ਸੂਟ ਪੁਰਾਣਿਆ ਹਾਏ ਪੁਰਾਣਿਆ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਲਹਿੰਗਾ ਲੈ ਦੇ ਮਹਿੰਗਾ ਜਾ ਮਰ ਜਾਣਿਆ ਐਨੇ ਪੈਸੇ ਦੱਸ ਤੂੰ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਜਾਣਿਆ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਲਹਿੰਗਾ ਲੈ ਦੇ ਮਹਿੰਗਾ ਜਾ ਮਰ ਜਾਣਿਆ ਐਨੇ ਪੈਸੇ ਦੱਸ ਤੂੰ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਜਾਣਿਆ ਵੇ ਮਰ ਜਾਣਿਆ
Even I felt like dancing when I heard that song and when I saw you dancing. Thank you, Vedika. And up next we have Vishwa Mehta, who wants to dedicate a lovely song to all her teachers.
This song is dedicated to all my lovely teachers and happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. Happy Teachers Day, happy Teachers Day, happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. Happy Teachers Day, happy Teachers Day, happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. You are my best friend, you are a role model, you are a gift from God. Happy Teachers Day, happy Teachers Day, happy Teachers Day, happy Teachers Day. You are my best friend, you are a role model, you are a gift from God. Happy Teachers Day, happy Teachers Day, happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. I love you, teacher, I praise you, teacher, I thank you, teacher, for everything. I love you, teacher, I praise you, teacher, I thank you, teacher, for everything. सच्चे दिल से करते हैं नमन आपको नमन आपको नमन सच्चे दिल से करते हैं हम आपको नमन आपको नमन. Thank you, teachers, and happy Teachers Day.
Thank you, Vishwa. That was so sweet of you. Lovely singing. And up next we have Riddhi, who wants to say something about this occasion. Let's see what she has in store for us.
Hello, we are proud to be here to celebrate Teachers' Day today. September 5th is Teachers' Day. We celebrate Teachers' Day with lots of joy and happiness. September 5th is the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, who was a great scholar and teacher. He was also the second president of our country. Students across the country observe this day as respect to their teachers, who are the backbone of society. He played a role as student. It would not be wrong to say that teachers are equal to our parents. They teach us, they treat us like their own children. Parents give a birth to a child, while teachers shape and give the personality of that child. And they consistently try to help that child into a good human being. Hence, we should always respect and love them. They give us strength to fight another challenger. Teachers are the source of inspiration who motivate us to a nourished mind, a young mind into all kinds of knowledge. On this day, I like to thank all my teachers who supported me and guided me whenever I needed them. A big thanks to them. Thank you.
Thank you, Riddhi. That was a really inspiring speech. And yes, teachers do take a lot of hard work to mold the lives of children. Up next, we have Eleuterio, who is going to be doing some artwork for us. Let's see what it is.
I am Eleuterio Mascarenas from class 6. I dedicate this to all of my teachers who taught me from junior KG to standard 6. And not forgetting Jenny's teacher.
You know, when I was a kid, the only art that I knew was two mountains in an M shape, a sun in the middle, a river flowing from the sun, and birds that were shaped in V, shaped with the letter V. Look at these children. Lovely. Very good work, Eleuterio. I can't even paint with a paintbrush and you painted with your bare hands. Very nice and good painting. Thank you once again. Up next, we have Riddhi and Yug, who would also like to share their thoughts on this auspicious occasion.
Happy Teachers Day! Respected teachers and my dear friends.
Myself Yuksha from Standard 8th.
Myself Riddhi Shah from Standard 4th. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri Gurudev Namah, Tasmai Shri Gurudev Namah.
Today, on 5th of September, we celebrate Teachers Day all over the India every year. But do you know why do we celebrate Teachers Day on 5th of September?
Yes, on the 5th of the September, there is the birthday of our former President, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan.
After being the President of India in 1962, he was asked by the students to celebrate his birthday. But however, he replied that instead of celebrating his personal birthday, it would be better if it is dedicated to the whole teaching profession.
From that day, we celebrate Teachers Day on the 5th September every year. Teachers are like a candle as they burn to bright our life.
They teach us good manners and shape our future to become a good man in life.
Teachers are called our second parents as they give us lots of knowledge. So, teacher means
talented,
educated,
attitude,
cheerful,
helpful,
efficient,
and responsible.
Once again,
Happy Teachers' Day!
Thank you and Happy Teachers' Day!
Thank you, Riddhi and Yug. Lovely speech by both of you. And yes, you were right. Teachers are our second parents because they play a major role in shaping and molding the lives of children. Up next, we have Shraddha and Siddhi who are going to be singing a song for their teachers.
Hi, my name is Shraddha from 2nd B. Hi, my name is Siddhi from 2nd B. We love you, teachers. We praise you, teachers. We thank you, teachers, for everything. We love you, teachers. We praise you, teachers. We thank you, teachers, for everything. सच्चे दिल से करते हैं हम आपको नमन, आपको नमन. सच्चे दिल से करते हैं हम आपको नमन, आपको नमन. इस जीवन में पढ़ना लिखना हमको सिखाए हैं. अनसुलझे सवालों को पल में सुलझाए हैं. दाते याद लाए हमको आंखों से, प्यार छलकता है उनकी हर बातों से. दाते याद लाए हमको आंखों से, प्यार छलकता है उनकी हर बातों से. सच्चे दिल से करते हैं हम आपको नमन, आपको नमन. सच्चे दिल से करते हैं हम आपको नमन, आपको नमन. We love you, teachers. We praise you, teachers. We thank you, teachers, for everything. हमसे अगर हो कोई कथा तो आप सुधारे हैं. हमें अगर हो कोई कला तो आप सिखाए हैं. माना कि हम कल बड़े हो जाएंगे, आप हमेशा यूं ही याद आएंगे. माना कि हम कल बड़े हो जाएंगे, आप हमेशा यूं ही याद आएंगे. We love you, teachers. We praise you, teachers. We thank you, teachers, for everything. We love you, teachers. We praise you, teachers. We thank you, teachers, for everything. सच्चे दिल से करते हैं हम आपको नमन, आपको नमन. सच्चे दिल से करते हैं हम आपको नमन, आपको नमन. We love you, teachers. We praise you, teachers. We thank you, teachers, for everything, for everything. Thank you. Happy Teachers' Day to all my lovely teachers.
Thank you once again, Shraddha and Siddhi. Up next, we have Vedika Jain who is going to perform a dance for us.
काला जादू कर दिया तेरी अख सोनी, पूरा लंदन हिलदा हिले जो तेरा लक सोनी. ओ मुंडियां नू मारेंगी, मुंडियां नू मारेंगी ना एवें हस सोनिए. केड़ा पिंड शहर तेरा तू मैनू दस सोनिए. ओ लगदी लगदी लाहौर दिया जिस हिसाब न हस दिया. ओ लगदी पंजाब दिया
जिस हिसाब ना तकदी आ ओ लगदी लाहौर दी आ जिस हिसाब ना हसदी आ कुड़ी दा पता करो केड़े पिंड दी आ केड़े शहर दी आ ओ लगदी लाहौर दी आ जिस हिसाब ना हसदी आ ओ लगदी पंजाब दी आ जिस हिसाब ना तकदी आ दिल्ली दा नखराया स्टाइल ओदा वखराया मुंडियां नू पागल कर दिया जिस हिसाब ना चल दिया ओ लगदी लाहौर दिया जिस हिसाब ना हस दिया कुड़ी दा पता करो पता करो पता करो
Thank you once again, Vedika. I tried dancing, but I'm already tired. Anyway, up next we have Saima, who would also like to express her thoughts on this auspicious occasion.
Hello everyone. Today I am present here to express my gratitude to all our loving teachers on the auspicious occasion of Teachers' Day. I want to start by thanking all our teachers for providing their wonderful guidance to all the students at every stage of life. Teachers are those unique personalities who shape our career, who show us way and makes our dreams come true. Anything is said in praise of teacher is less. We cannot define their involvement in our life with words. Teachers' Day is celebrated to honor a guru who contribute their maximum to our development. It is teachers who help us to survive in the competitive world. Apart from being the source of knowledge and wisdom, the teachers are best guides and motivators. Teachers are building blocks of our life. I want to express my gratitude to all our loving teachers by thanking them for their dynamic support. Lastly, I want to conclude by saying a beautiful quote dedicated to all the teachers. A teacher is the compass that activates the magnet of curiosity, knowledge and wisdom in pupils. Thank you and wishing you all a very happy Teachers' Day.
Thank you, Saima, for that lovely speech and also for that lovely quote at the end that you said. Up next we have Hermina, who would also like to express her views.
The way you care, the knowledge you share, the love you shower has immense power. You work hard with optimism. Dear teacher, you are awesome. Namaste, Kem Cho, Sat Sri Akal. Hi, hello, myself Hermina News and I wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day is celebrated in a memory of birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishna. He was born on 5th September 1888. He was the second President of India. He was a great scholar and a good educator. He was a teacher and also loved teaching. So he thought to celebrate his birthday as a Teachers' Day. But this year, due to coronavirus as COVID-19 pandemic, all the schools are closed. We are not able to celebrate this day with our teacher physically by touching their pets and taking blessings from them. But during this pandemic, our teachers are working hard for us by virtual or online classes to make our career brighter. So through this, I would like to express my gratitude to all my teachers present over here. Teachers are the pillars of nation. A student can be a good citizen of this country under the guidance of a good teacher. This day is celebrated to give respect to our teachers. I love my teacher because I love my parents, who are my first teacher. They are also teachers in real life. I love all my teachers from play school till today. I love my playtime teacher who taught me to sing song when I was sad. I love my art teacher who taught me to fill colors in my life. I love my maths teacher for lessons to add joy, subtract anger, multiply friends and divide sorrows. I love my English teacher as she taught me the language of sorry and thank you. I love my science teacher as she taught us we are the same human beings with bones and blood. I love my SS teacher as she made us understand the importance of staying united. I love my Gujarati and Hindi teacher as they connected me to my culture. I love my GK and computer teacher as they helped me to learn a big wide world. I love all my teachers from past, present and future. They are not only God, rather they are gifts from God. All molded into one person, we will be always grateful for your support. These beautiful flowers are dedicated to all my teachers as a token of my love. Thank you and once again a happy Teachers Day.
Thank you, Hermina, for pointing out the importance of each and every teacher. Lovely speech by you. Thank you once again. Up next, for the third and the last time, we have Vedika Jain, who is going to be dancing on another rocking number.
Lamborghini chalai jaane o, Lamborghini chalai jaane o, सानू भी झूठा दे दो, किथे कल्ले कल्ले जाई जाने हो, सानू भी झूठा दे दो, किथे कल्ले कल्ले जाई जाने हो। मॉडल टाउन च मारे गेड़ी, मॉडल टाउन च मारे गेड़ी, सानू भी झूठा दे दो, किथे कल्ले कल्ले जाई जाने हो।
इश्के दा ऐसा पाया जाल सोनिए, दिल मेरा कट के ले गई नाल सोनिए, तेरे पीछे लगे होया साल सोनिए, मान जा क्यों ना सता, करे गहरा नाल जद गल्ला, दुखदा है दिल मेरा चला, किन्ना तड़ पावे सोनिए, मिठी मिठी गल्ला करी जावे, कहंदी गड्डी विच गेड़ियां लवाते, हुण दूरों तक्की जा तू सोहणीए,
लंबरगिनी चलाई जाने ओ, लंबरगिनी चलाई जाने ओ, सानू भी झूठा दे दो, किथे कल्ले कल्ले जाई जाने ओ। मॉडल टाउन च मारे गेड़ी, मॉडल टाउन च मारे गेड़ी, सानू भी झूठा दे दो, किथे कल्ले कल्ले जाई जाने हो।
Thank you once again, Vedika. That was a lovely dance by you. Up next, we have Agnya, who would also like to say something about the Teachers' Day.
As we all know that today, on 5th September, we celebrate Teachers' Day in India, the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. On this special occasion, I wish to convey my best wishes and greetings to all of my teachers and people who have supported me attain success in all my academies. As we know that it is impossible to define teachers, as teachers are not only to teach students but also make them an ideal citizen of the country and help them to choose the correct way. Secondly, teachers are our second parents. Teachers play a prominent role in influencing and inspiring us. Every student tries to imitate their teachers and consider them as their role models. After parents, teachers take the responsibility of molding a child's character at each and every step. So isn't it our responsibility to thank our teachers, to wish them for recognition of their efforts? Let us take some time to pay honor and admire all their contribution in elevating us. Thanks, dear teachers, for your all invaluable efforts and guidance. Thank you and wish you a very happy Teachers' Day.
Thank you, Agnya. You made us feel honored and inspired. Thank you once again. Lovely speech by you. Up next, we have Harita, who would like to perform a dance for us.
Good day to all. I'm Harita Parmar from Standard 6th. Today, 5th September, being the Teachers' Day, I'm going to perform a dance for my lovely teachers, sirs, and also for my dear principal.
We love you, teachers. We praise you, teachers. We thank you, teachers, for everything. We love you, teachers. We praise you, teachers. We thank you, teachers, for everything. सच्चे दिल से करते हैं हम आपको नमन, आपको नमन। सच्चे दिल से करते हैं हम आपको नमन, आपको नमन। We love you, teachers. We praise you, teachers. We thank you, teachers, for everything. इस जीवन में पढ़ना लिखना हमको सिखाई है। अनसुलझे सवालों को पल में सुलझाई है। डांटे या डराए हमको आंखों से, प्यार झलकता है उनकी हर बातों से। डांटे या डराए हमको आंखों से, प्यार झलकता है उनकी हर बातों से। सच्चे दिल से करते हैं हम आपको नमन, आपको नमन। सच्चे दिल से करते हैं हम आपको नमन, आपको नमन। We love you, teachers. We praise you, teachers. We thank you, teachers, for everything.
A hearty welcome to you as well, and thanks to all you students for being so good to us teachers and for giving us so much honor and respect. Up next, we have Sanvi, who would also like to say something. Let's see what she has to say.
Hello teachers, a warm and hearty welcome to the fathers, students and stars of the day, my dear teachers. Myself, Sanvi K. Panchal, I study in class 4th A. As we all know that the Teachers' Day is commemorated on 5th of September on the birthday of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He was a renowned academic of our country. When he became president, his students wanted to celebrate his birthday and he asked them to mark it as a day to celebrate teachers. Teachers spend all their years in educating us to be the worthy citizens of the country. And nowadays, during this pandemic, also they are working so hard to teach and educate us online. And moreover, some of the teachers are helping infected people as well. And hence, this gives me an immense pleasure to be here and talk about these personalities. As Joyce Meyer rightly quoted, teachers can change lives with just right mix of shock and challenge. And hence, all my dear students, we should always obey and respect our teachers So all my dear teachers, stay safe and stay healthy. We all love you. Thank you and have a nice day.
Yes, Sanvi rightly said. During this pandemic situation, it's not that easy as it looks for us teachers to be teaching you students. But it is you students who are making our work easier with your cooperation. Thank you once again, Sanvi. Up next we have Mitali, who would like to say something and also sing something for our teachers.
They support us, they inspire us, they teach us. Who is this? Yes, this is our teachers. Today is the day to thank them. So, let us say Happy Teachers Day. Teachers Day is celebrated on 5th September because it is the birthday of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Full word meaning of teacher is T for talent, E for elegant, A for Amazon, C for charming, H for helpful, E for efficient, R for respective. Teacher, please accept my small gift. Happy Teachers Day to you. Happy Teachers Day to you. Happy Teachers Day to you. Dear teachers, Happy Teachers Day to you. May the good God bless you. May the good God bless you. May the good God bless you. Dear teachers, Happy Teachers Day to you. We all love you, teachers. We all love you, teachers. Happy Teachers Day to you, dear teachers. Happy Teachers Day to you. Thank you.
Thank you, Mitali. That was really melodious, and we teachers also love you students a lot. Up next we have Vishwa Shukla, who would also like to say something about the Teachers Day.
Happy Teachers Day! Do you know why do we celebrate Teachers Day? It is my honor to talk about our dear teachers on this special occasion. We celebrate Teachers Day every year on 5th September in India. September 5th is marked as the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, and the Teachers Day is celebrated in his commemoration of birthday. Wishing you all a very happy Teachers Day. You all are the best teacher and you all deserve the best. You are the spark, the inspiration and the guide to my life. I am really thankful that you all are my teachers. Books, sports, homework and knowledge, you all are the pillars of our success, and in the classroom you are the best. Teachers teach students very carefully and sincerely, just like their own child. It is well said that teachers are greater than the parents. Parents give birth to their child, whereas teachers shape his or her character and make their future bright. Thus, we always forget and ignore them, but we really love and respect them. Teachers play a very important role in shaping the future of their students. Right from kindergarten to university, they are the ones who impart knowledge and teach us everything important. A world without teachers is really chaotic. Lastly, I want to say that a good teacher is like a candle who consume themselves and show the light to their students. God sends the teachers to paint the lessons on the canvas of our heart. I am lucky to have the teachers like you all. A teacher holds our hand, opens our mind and touches our heart. A good teacher teaches us from their heart, not from the book. Thank you.
A teacher holds our hands, opens our minds and touches our hearts. What a superb quote that was. Thank you once again, Vishwa. Up next, we have once again Chinky or Minky. That is Shraddha and Siddhi.
सारी उम्र हम मर मर के जी लिए, एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो, जीने दो।
सारी उम्र हम मर मर के जी लिए, एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो, जीने दो। सारी उम्र हम मर मर के जी लिए, एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो, जीने दो। ना 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 ना। Give me some sunshine, give me some rain, give me another chance. I wanna grow up once again. Give me some sunshine, give me some rain, give me another chance. I wanna grow up once again.
कंधों को किताबों के बोझ ने झुकाया, रिश्वत देना तो खुद पापा ने सिखाया। 99% मार्क्स लाओगे तो घड़ी वरना छड़ी, लिख लिख कर पढ़ा हथेली पर अल्फा बीटा गामा का छाला। कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड H2SO4 ने पूरा पूरा बचपन जला डाला।
बचपन तो गया, जवानी भी गई, एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो, जीने दो।
बचपन तो गया, जवानी भी गई, एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो, जीने दो।
सारी उम्र हम मर मर के जी लिए, एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो, जीने दो। ना 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 ना। Give me some sunshine, give me some rain, give me another chance. I wanna grow up once again. Give me some sunshine, give me some rain, give me another chance. I wanna grow up once again. Na 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 na
What coordination between these two, right? Thank you once again, Shraddha and Siddhi, for this lovely dance on this lovely number. Up next, we have Shreya, who would also like to say a few words on this occasion.
Warm welcome to everyone watching this video. Myself, Shreya Panchal from class 10. Today, it gives me an immense pleasure to talk about the light of the world, the beacon of the Jack, and the hope that gives us joy to be educated, and that's our teachers. As we all know that today we celebrate Teachers Day, a day kept aside to honor the gifted souls of our teachers who work hard every day to make sure that our future is bright. Moreover, we are also aware that during this crisis, our teacher takes a lot of effort to make us study online. Teachers Day is celebrated on the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, who was not just the President of India and a successful leader, but he was a great teacher and a renowned scholar too. We must agree that teaching is a noble profession because it is rightly said that teachers are greater than parents, because parents give birth to a child but teacher molds that child up, build his character. So teachers are the most important strength of the society. She is the encouragement of a student. They are the backbone of the student's life. So thank you teachers for your valuable support and guidance. The entire nation salutes you. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind. Thank you, Shreya. Thank you for this lovely speech. And not only are we teachers supporting you, but even you students are supporting us teachers by being so good to us. Thank you once again. Up next we have Arya, who is going to impersonate a teacher. Let's see what she has to say.
Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well in this day. On the occasion of Teachers' Day, I, Arya Panchal, studying in Standard 3rd A, is going to express the thought and views of a teacher presenting as a teacher. Teaching kids to count is fine, but teaching kids what count is best. Such principles are what sets us teacher apart from other professions in the world. From waking up early, running down to school, meeting students, make them learn and understand something new every day with the help of blackboard and a piece of chalk. To nowadays, teaching via video, conferencing and technology. The COVID-19 effect was so high that forced the whole world to change, and the education system also changed, forcing school to go for e-learning method across the world. It is a learning process for us teachers also, from holding camera, properly making video and getting totally updated with the technology, and at the same time being creative to hold the interest of students so that they don't get bored attending online classes. Yes, things have changed, but we can't stop. We have to keep learning, moving, teaching and help everyone grow and also fulfill our responsibilities as a teacher. Thank you.
Yes, Arya, rightly said. Thank you for highlighting the problems, and yes, this is a fact. As teachers, it's become a real challenge for us in this pandemic crisis. Anyway, thank you once again, and up next we have Hetvi, who would like to express her views on this occasion.
Education and learning never stops. Education is the process of learning or getting knowledge, skills, values and habits which are essential for human life. In ancient time, education was carried under the supervision of gurus. Students used to gain knowledge under the trees in ashrams. With the passage of time, as man developed, teachers imparted knowledge between the four walls. They made special buildings for teaching and learning. Nowadays, due to pandemic situation all over the world, education system shifted from schools to e-learning. E-learning is a platform where a student can get education from any location and at any time. In all the phases, a teacher remains the same. Teachers are the most important members of a society. They can be a role model and an inspiration to go further and to dream bigger. Teaching is a tough job, but it is one where you can make the most impact in others. As a student, it's our responsibility to focus on the studies, especially in this e-learning phase. We should not let our teachers' hard work go in vain. It's an honor to have so many hardworking teachers inspiring us. One child, one teacher, one book, one pen can change the world. Let us all respect the teachers' hard work and appreciate them and encourage them to keep going. I wish all the teachers a very happy Teachers' Day.
Thank you, Hetvi. Thank you for taking us back in time and showing us what education was and is right now. And thank you for your lovely explanation as well. We have come to the end of this video. We also have one more thing in store for you, especially for the teachers. But before that, a word of thanks and gratitude. Firstly, to the students who appeared in this video. Thank you for your cooperation and for your time. I would also like to thank the parents who have given so much time and cooperated for making this video. Things have changed now. We used to meet our teachers, greet our teachers, take their blessings. But now everything has gone online. Just because of this crisis. But we pray that this crisis comes to an end very soon. Thanks to all of you watching this video. You may be a teacher in your own way. Not necessary that you teach in a school or something. You can be a brother, you can be a sister, you can be a father, a mother, you can be anything. You are a teacher in your own way because you can correct each and every one. If they are wrong, you can correct them, you can educate them. All of us are teachers in our very own way. You can see how technology has changed everything. With just a mobile phone, I could connect with so many students. They could connect with me. With just things like WhatsApp and other social media, we could make this video. Thanks to all the participants once again. And last but not the least, we have Joanne and her friends who have made this lovely video dedicated to their teachers. And in the video it is mentioned that they are the last batch. Let me tell all of you, you are not the last batch, but you are the first ones who are going to step into the real world. All the best to all of you and all the best to all the students. Respect your teachers, greet your teachers on this lovely day. Also a word to all the students. Don't forget the hard work that the teachers are taking to mold your future. On this auspicious day, take some time, wish them, greet them. Say thank you for their hard work for you. And for the teachers, I'd like to say, it was clearly evident how much the children want to be in touch with you, how much they are enthusiastic to wish you on this auspicious day. You can see their enthusiasm in this video itself. Once again, I'd like to thank all of you students for your great cooperation. Okay, so now take a look at this lovely video.
This song is for those who inspire us today, who always lend a helping hand to help show us the way. This song is for those who see their students through the tough times in their lives. For that we say thank you. You have made a difference. You have shaped our minds. You have changed the world, one child at a time. You have always been there in everything you do. I hope that you're as proud of me as I am proud of you. This song is for those who heard the silent cries, who stepped in to wipe the tears from the children's eyes. For those who gave us a safe place to grow, a place for us to call our home. Forever we will know that you have made a difference. You have shaped our minds. You have changed the world, one child at a time. You have always been there in everything you do. I hope that you're as proud of me as I am proud of you. This song is for those who taught us right from wrong, who taught us much more than their craft to help our minds grow strong. This song is for those who guide us through and through, so that we can make a life. For that we say thank you.
made a difference.